All right, next section we're going to talk about is the lightning bolt alert. So what this alert is I'm going to go ahead and actually click it real quick so it shows up on the screen. The lightning bolt alert is a swing alert that will show up on your chart. Right, you'll get an alert on your disk tour, and that's the notification to let you know to go look at your chart. Now, what the lightning bolt alert is doing is trying to find the tops and the bottoms of swings so you can get into that trade when it first makes the move and ride it all the way to the next swing. All right. You're going to see it's going to pop up as either this box here, or you can customize and you can change it from the box to the arrow. Right. I prefer the box, but you can have either one. You can adjust it. You can also change the color if you want. So the way you use it is really simple. Right. I get the alert. And of course, if you look at the royal zone here, it's red. So that means I'm looking for sells. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these little lines that are here. All right. Let me scroll in so you can see. You see these horizontal lines that are here, these are our stop loss lines, right? It's an easy way to pick or figure out, where should I put my stop based on the alert, based on the indicator. Now, rule of thumb is we never pick the first section, right? We never pick the first one that happened right after the line, right? So the alert happened here, right? We never pick that first one. We always go for the second or the third or even higher, right? So that means anything above that first one, we start going for. Now, if you have a collection of multiple that are really close together, for instance, if we would have had an alert that was over here, you see how there's multiple lines here? We just count that as one. We don't count every single one because that's the same zone. All right. And what we're doing is we're trying to protect ourselves from any swings that can happen in the opposite direction. We don't want to get stopped out early when we're trying to, in essence, get a swing. So the areas where we can put our stop and that we'll look for is either that first section, and I'll change that to stop loss, or the second one up here, right? And I'll do that. So you as a trader, you will get the alert, right, on your Discord. Then you go look at your chart. You'll see this is popped up on there, and you pick your stop loss saying, hey, I want to risk either this, or again, you can put even higher. These are just suggestions. It's not a you need to do this every single time. It's just what's been working best for us. So when I go ahead and get that alert, I place the trade in, and then I'm going to go ahead and allow the trade to go ahead and start moving in the direction, right? And again, this is a swing trade, right? So the goal is to keep this until it changes back from this red to the purple, right? A lot of times we get those alerts, well, they'll swing and go for a very long time because again, we're trying to get the tops and the bottom of the move. So they'll go ahead and swing and go. Now you're still going to use the dot to dot rules when you're managing a trade, but we're trying to hold on to this trade as long as you possibly can. And that swing alert is usually one of those trades. When we get the alert, it's probably going to swing for a pretty long time. All right.